is Arnold Langat, and I'm a junior at Harmony Science Academy in Euless, and I'm the founder of Harmony SAT Prep. So to begin our SAT Math series, we will begin by talking about the structure of the SAT Math test. So, what the SAT measures. The SAT is focused on the skills and knowledge at the heart of education. It measures what you learn in high school and what you need to succeed in college and career training. So how to be successful with the SAT? First, take challenging courses such as Pre-AP, AP, or IB as offered at your school. Second, do your homework. Third, prepare for tests and quizzes. And lastly, ask and answer lots of questions. And something we strongly stand for here at Harmony SAT Prep is that repetition is a key to success. So the new SAT Math places a greater emphasis on algebra. And there are two sections included, one being non-calculator and the other being only calculator. So what is the allotted time for the SAT Math? There's a total of 58 questions that you have to answer in 80 minutes. On the first section, which is non-calculator, you're given 20 questions that you have to answer in 25 minutes. The first 15 questions are multiple choice, and the last 5 questions are grid-in. On the second section, which is calculator, you're given 38 questions that you have to answer in 55 minutes. The first 30 questions are multiple choice, and the last 8 questions are grid-in. And something that's really important that you need to know is that you don't lose points for incorrect answers. So if you're going to leave a question blank, you shouldn't do that because if you guess, there's a higher chance that you'll get it correct than leaving it blank. And if you do get it correct, that just increases your points. And when you don't actually bubble it in, there's a chance, you're losing a chance that you could have had to gain more points. Okay, now let's get on to our challenge problem of the day. So as it reads, after 6 months on a diet, Sam's weight dropped from 172 pounds to 150 pounds. By what percent did Sam's weight drop to the nearest 10? So the first thing you need to do is to determine what happens. And as you can see, it goes from 172 pounds to 150. So we can tell that's a percent decrease. So let's write out the equation for percent decrease. Percent decrease equals the amount of decrease divided by the original amount. Multiplied by 100. Okay, so this equation is pretty good to memorize, but if you're already taking some courses that needs this equation, for example, I take AP Chemistry, and for each lab report, we might need to determine the percent decrease or how our data is changed. So it really shows that if you take some challenging courses, you'll really learn the concepts that you need to perform well on the SAT. Okay, let me get my pen so we can continue. So, amount of decrease, we'll denote that as A. And the original amount, we will say that's O. So, our equation will be like A, which is the amount of decrease, divided by the original amount, and then multiply that by 100 to get your answer. Okay, so that's the same as amount of decrease, which is 172 pounds to 150 pounds. So subtracting those gives you 22, which is the amount of decrease, and the original amount is 172. Okay, 172. And so you just multiply that by 100. Alright, so you just plug that in into your calculator, and that should give you your answer. So that'll be it for today. Remember to like and subscribe, and we hope you will join us for our next video. Have a great day.